Hello everybody, this is Game Noob Killer 23 here, with deadpoolrockz23 here, playing White Noise Online. Right here. Okay, let's go. Okay, don't scream like a little girl while we're playing this game. Don't scream like a little bitch then. Yeah, it can make you jump. Yeah, I know, because it can make you jump. Push RT and make you sprint faster. Push RT to sprint. Let's go this side. Okay, tell me if you want me to slow down, because my person I'm playing as is really fast. Tell me if you want me to slow down, alright? Turn around.
It's like a green thing over there.
Right here. I heard something. Got it.
Where'd you go?
Turn around. Oh, right here.
How did you get that character?
Yeah, you gotta lock her. Wait, I hear him. Yeah, I hear him. Yeah, keep going. I hear him. I think a little bit. Yeah, keep going. I hear him. Guys, use your sprint. Did you see him? Yeah, I see him too. Okay, well, just run. Okay, Rogan, keep running. Keep running. I hear a tape recorder. Okay, I hear one. Just split up and find one because I hear it somewhere. Tape recorder. You gotta hurry and pick it up because he's gonna catch us if you don't hurry and pick it up. Then you gotta look around because this is one of these statues right now. I see it. Got it. Okay, he's gone now. Keep going now. He's gone. Okay, but he's gone now. He's gone. He won't scare us now if you keep going. Right here's something. I heard another one. Got it. Where are you, Logan? Okay, I'm right here. Turn around. I'm right behind you. I see. I'm right here. Just don't look at that green. Don't look at that green statue. Don't look at it. If you die, Perch, you're gonna die. Make him come towards you. Then you're gonna die. Then. Okay, let's keep running. Okay, let's keep going. Oh shit! Don't, he's right way up there. Don't look at him. Go and follow me where I'm at. Just don't look at his face. Don't look at his face.
I don't see it.
For me, I see him already, but just keep following. Logan, turn around. Turn around a little bit more. I'm right here. Just making sure you're okay. Make sure you're okay. Make sure he doesn't grab you or anything. Oh shit, he's way up there. I see him. Come on. Don't look at him. I see him. Don't look at him. For me, I see him, but don't look at him. Oh shit, I can hear him. Logan. Okay, run, just run. If you hear him, run, just keep going. Don't look at him. Keep going. Just run. Don't split up. If you split up, you die then. If you split up, then. Gotta hurry up and get up here towards me then. Oh shit, Logan, really? Okay, where are you? Oh, okay, I see you. Oh, I see it. Logan, right here. I see it one. Come on, go up here. Come on. Okay, I got it. Okay, got it. Let's go. Right, okay, let's keep going. Okay, keep going. Oh yeah. Hey everyone on YouTube. I guess for me, I haven't uploaded a video in this game for a long time, I guess, but I'm gonna upload right now for you, I guess. Right now again. It's been like a year and a half, I guess. Wait, Logan? Oh shit, Logan. I see you. I see you. Okay, keep going. Scaring you, Logan? Is it scaring you? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, he's in the right. Keep going. Okay, keep following where I'm at. Just keep following where I'm at. Keep following me. Okay. Come on, Logan. Keep going. Oh, Logan, I see one here. I see one. Come here. Okay, I guess you're okay now. Let's keep going. Yeah, I know, because my person's really fast. It's just because I think eventually you'll walk her soon. Eventually you'll walk her soon, I think. The girl I'm playing as right now. Alright, Logan, one thing I said, don't look back. If you look back, because the more you keep looking back, he's gonna come towards you faster. Then don't keep looking at him. Keep your hands up. Logan, right here. Keep going. Okay, I slow down for you. Slow down for you then. Turn around, Logan. Turn around. No, for me, I'm right behind you. Okay, I'm coming towards you then, alright? Logan, I hear him now. Keep going, I hear him. Oh god, he's closer. He's closer. Keep going, he's closer. Oh god, Logan, he's right there. Turn around. He's right behind you. Keep going. Just don't look at his face if you keep doing it. Oh god. Watch out, Logan. He's right there. I see him now. Keep going. There's nothing there, Logan. Just keep going, nothing there. Oh, we came from here. No, we came from here. Remember this. Logan, where are you? Run, Logan, run! Logan, you should run. He's got me now. You gotta run now by yourself now. You're by yourself now. I see you. Just keep going. I see you. Keep going. I see you. Just keep going. I'm right behind you. I'm surprised you're so alive, Logan.
I know, I thought I was gonna be the first to die.
Oh, Logan, there's stairs up there, by the way. Stairs up there. Go to the right. Stairs up there. Hey there.
Oh, I hear it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I hear it.
Or happens one of those green things, you know, those statues maybe. Wait. Hey Logan, there's a cabin here. Just look in the cabin here. I see one. It's in the cabin right there. I see one.
Okay, he's gone.
I can't. Perms, I can't pick it up because Perms, I'm dead. You had to pick it up because I'm dead. Yeah, run. Yeah, because I can't pick it up because I'm dead. Guess what, Logan? You got one left. Don't die, Logan. We better not die in this. 16 minutes. I got 16 minutes now. It's still uploading. Come on, Logan. You can do it. Guess you got 7 out of 10. Guess. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And click on the link. Click on the link video. And don't forget to subscribe here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.